Hey guys, what is up? So today we are going to be doing a vlog at a poke bowl place, the House of Poke, Morganville, New Jersey. We are going to be trying out their poke bowl today and maybe trying their fresh made ramen and rolled ice cream. Alright guys, we have Sam here. So now we are going to go try the poke bowl place. Alright guys, we're in the store now. They got like a bunch of snacks here. Japanese snacks. Alright guys, let's look at the menus. You got shrimp tempura, corn ribs, potty salad. And then here are their signature bowls right here. Alright guys, they got some specials too. Look at it. Alright guys, here's the base. They got cucumber, corn, ramen, greens, noodles. Alright guys, we're going in the back now and we're gonna see how things are made. Alright, we're in the back with the poke house staff. Alright, what are we making?
The hop.
The hop, alright.
So we'll use some fishy rice. We'll put some corn, cucumber, sweet onion, the honey salad, seaweed salad.
Mango?
Shrimp, tuna, salmon, the poke special sauce, and then the teriyaki sauce. And some lotus chips. And this is it up.
Alright, thank you. Alright guys, so we are gonna try the poke bowl now. Looks amazing. Alright guys, before we eat our poke bowl, we are gonna see them make the ice cream. Alright, so is this the milk mixture?
Yeah.
That goes on, right?
I got it.
Guys, even though I'm not supposed to have ice cream right now, I'm gonna try some.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Okay. Alright guys, we got the Ferrero Rocher rolled ice cream with hazelnut on top. Cheers. Oh my god.
It's really good.
I've never had rolled ice cream in years. It's so smooth, chocolatey. It's just overall a nice texture.
Yeah, they top it off with Nutella, which is really good. And the spoons are color changing.
Wait, they're color changing? Wait, I didn't realize that. Oh my god, yeah, look, they're like turning to like a dark purple. 9 out of 10. It's actually really good.
I'll give it 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's really good. I feel like the ice cream, it's not too sweet. It's just the right sweetness to counter the Nutella. You can have like 2 more bites before like start breaking down.
It's really creamy.
No, really, yeah, it is. It's like soft serve is too soft, you know, and then hard ice cream is sometimes too hard, but this is like in the middle. Alright guys, this is called what? IHOP? The hop. It has like lotus chip on top, tuna, salmon, and then connie salad and mango, right? Seaweed salad and shrimp. Here we go. Let's try it. That's good. The shrimp was seasoned well with sesame oil. It has flavor. It has a lot of flavor.
Yeah, I love all the sauces because it's sweet, so it's like a nice contrast.
It contradicts with the savory. The teriyaki really helps out with that. Then we got the lotus chip. Honestly, it tastes like a potato chip. Tuna cube. Yeah, it's not fishy at all. And they got fresh mangoes too right here. Like I know some other poke bowl places like the Poke Bar, their stuff is sometimes like leftovers. Like I'm honest review, okay? 1 out of 10. What would you rate it?
I would rate it a good 8.
I rate it like a 9, honestly. The rice is really good. They add enough rice vinegar and it's not too sweet. And I like how they have connie salad in it. Let's try it. Seasoned very well. It's not too spicy and it's not too salty as well. All right, I'm just gonna like mix it.
You're gonna mix it?
Isn't that what Poke Bowl's about? Like a Chipotle bowl, you mix it. I feel like even though Poke Bar places, it's like the same concept. They have like the cooked stuff, seafood part, but it's all about how fresh the ingredient is. And the amount of salmon they add in here, it's a decent amount of salmon. The crunch factor from the lotus chip is just a good addition. Some places only do like garlic or onion, but lotus chip, that's the first. Guys, the staff here is so friendly. Everyone's just so nice here, you know, like if you need help, if you have questions, like they'll answer, right? Like they're nice. All right, guys, here's a little breakdown inside. Got some of the mangoes still there, shrimp.
It doesn't have as much fish.
It doesn't have fishiness in it, right? Like if you go masa, get raw fish. I'd rather dump it out. All right, guys, I am so full now. I want to wrap this up. Oh my God, look at their mask. Look, it says $1,000. And it's a duck. Alright guys, it was a nice meal here and we're gonna go get bubble tea now.